Meta, or formerly known as Facebook, did a study with an Australian marketing analysis team called Analytic Partners. They studied 6 industries, 17 brands, 70 campaigns and more than 500 ads. Hi, my name is Dhaivat Sant and I own Spring Digital. If you like to learn new marketing strategies that generate higher ROI in today's market, then like this video and subscribe to my channel. With all that data, Meta has shared some secrets that marketers or business owners can use to boost their return on investments. Let's start with the first growth secret. There are 2 elements to an ad. First, a visual element, and second, a media element. Visual element is the content, its length and copy, and media element is the placement, reach, frequency, and ad objective. Meta's study found that video ads had 70% of the ROI generated depending on the visual choices. So, a good video was found to be more important in a video ad when compared to other elements of the ad like its placement or its ad objective. But that also means that in order to be successful in these video ads, the media element should be done correctly as well. Growth secret number 2. The number of ad placements play an important role. Now, placements are the space like feed, stories, reels or more on Facebook or Instagram. The study found that ads that had between 6 to 8 placements saw 3 times the increase in return on investments compared to the ads that had only 2 to 3 different placements. So when posting an ad, choose between 6 to 8 placements for your ad. Growth secret number 3. The study found that broader targeting works better than broad targeting. Yes, I said it right. Audience between 9 to 12 million gave more data to Meta's AI. This helped it generate more ROI when compared to the smaller audience of 6 to 9 million. So bigger the audience, easier is it for Meta's AI to help you generate better results. Growth secret number 4. Frequency of your ad is very important and no one wants to see your ad more than once every day. The study says that ad frequency per week should be between 1 and 1.5. Ad frequency per week can be calculated by the total frequency divided by the number of weeks that your ad has been running. There was a 22% higher ROI with a weekly frequency of 1 when compared to that of between 0.5 to 1. If the frequency per week is going higher than 2, you could see a decrease in ad efficiency. So keep an eye on your ad frequency per week. Growth secret number 5. It was found with clear evidence that mobile optimized ads delivered 1.9 times higher ROI compared to non-mobile optimized ads. It's 2023 and this clearly shows the priority for today's consumer. So what does a mobile optimized video ad look like? It's a video ad that runs for 15 or less seconds with a square or tall aspect ratio. The most important thing to note is that the video should be created for a sound off environment. Video ads built with sound off environment showed 4.8% improvement compared to videos that were not built for sound off. A sound off environment means that a video should have captions and supers. Supers are the titles and the text to explain a video. Growth secret number 6. It was found that when the brand logo was used in the first 2 seconds of the video, there was a 5 times increase in ROI. This creates the connection between the consumer and the product. So Facebook recommends that you show your logo and product in the first 2 seconds of a video, as this has shown to have higher conversions compared to video ads that were showing their logos and products after the 2 seconds. So the best thing to do is have your logo and the product as a primary focus in the first 2 seconds of your video. It should be big enough so that when it's viewed on a mobile, it can be clearly seen. Growth secret number 7. Advertisement should be built to get your customers' attention. So these video ads that show your logo and product should be sparkling attention. But here's the secret. Showing your product live in a lifestyle situation like a sporting event or a celebration was found to have 26% increase in ROI. So instead of using a still video, use something that shows how your product is used in a day-to-day life. Growth secret number 8. ROI was recorded almost 3 times higher when the ad featured a promotion versus when the product just appeared in the first 2 seconds. Likely, ads that used the word new had 1.2% higher ROI compared to the ads that didn't use the word. So to put this in action, Meta, Analytic Partners, and Nescafe worked together for an ad. They used all the growth secrets. They targeted a broader audience in Australia between the age of 35 to 65. They used 6 different ad placements and the weekly frequency was of 2.3. A video ad was chosen over a static image and the video was of a tall aspect ratio. It was built for the sound off environment and the product and logo was the primary focus of the ad. Also, the messaging highlighted the word new. All of this work saw improvement in campaign awareness, purchase intent, margins, and a 3.8 times increase in weekly revenue. This study was a very good insight into some of the very common marketing myths. Some of the points may be very common, yet a lot of ads miss these. With this study, it is clear that the future of ads is good if it's done correctly.